Speaking of the United States, U.S. President Donald Trump has said that 25% tariffs on goods coming in from Mexico and Canada will also take effect from today onwards, pushing North America closer to regional trade war and sending financial markets reeling already. Srinjoy, as far as, triggering a sell-off in global stocks and pushing the ball yields lower, the American, way of increasing the tariffs that has now resulted in the currency of both Mexico and Canada to also fall, following his remarks as far as what U.S. President has to say, because he stands to be going firm on tariffs, saying that there is no room left for Mexico and Canada as far as this hike is now concerned on the North American neighbors.
It's important to see how it will affect the American economy, most important, and the American consumer, because a lot of goods that America imports from Canada and Mexico are bought directly by consumers. Now, is it going to become too expensive? Now, if it does become too expensive and the American consumer, the American people have to buy it, whether it's oil or anything else, then is it going to lead to inflation? That's the bottom line. Trump won this last election primarily because the Biden administration's policies led to very high inflation. He had invested huge amounts of money. He had put in a lot of money, dollars in the market, billions, hundreds and billions of dollars in the market, which led to high inflation. And one of the reasons why Trump won was actually because of inflation. I mean, to put it very simply, the price of eggs. Now, if there is further inflation from where things are, then it becomes very difficult for Trump. That is something economists will have to monitor, and that is going to be crucial. Will this 25% increase in tariffs, particularly on oil and other things,
well, comments have already triggered a sell-off in global stocks and pushing the bond yields lower, with the Mexican peso and the Canadian dollar both falling following the remarks of President Donald Trump. Thank you very much for the moment, Srinjoy, for joining in.